Guys, if you want to know what this in here, you've got to guess what it is in the comments, and you don't cheat. So, in this light here, it's like a castle light, but it's not. So let's try. 3, 2. Did you guys get it right?
I still remember it as if it were yesterday.
Oh yeah, this movie.
We're
currently watching Richie Rich, guys. If you don't know what that is, like where Richie gets rich and stuff. And this is. Okay, so let's. Okay, so now I'm gonna put other things in this one, in the red one. So yeah, just got like that there. Sorry for the big bang, guys. I've just got a. Oh gosh, it's getting everywhere.
Truly, Master Richie was born into a life of great wealth and privilege. He was assured his parents' most valuable.
Okay, I'm not allowed to put the fidget spinner in, guys. So I'm gonna just.
Can you say chip?
I think I know what I.
Convertible debenture.
I'm gonna put 2 things in, guys. Maybe 1.
And I am delighted to report that never was there a child with a sweeter disposition or a more spirited sense of clever. Although his father, the senior Richard Rich, spent countless hours in his office overseeing his vast business empire, Rich Industries to buy about 100 million acres of junk, he still found time to share simple pleasures with his son. Go ahead and build it anyway. Yes, he grew. Master Richie.
Okay, guys, you can have this now. Different one. Now you've got to guess what this one is. Comment in the comments which one this one is. Okay, I'm gonna squish it. It's this one. Now it's got on my mochi.
Which, as the years progressed, became more than just a favorite pastime.
Just gonna put it there.
Not bad. Let's try this time. I want you to get the back elbow up. That way. Get the bat right here. Shoulder square. Nice level swing. And keep your eye on the baseball. Okay, pitch. Put some heat on it this time.
Tell me, guys. Did you get it right or not? Okay, so we can't use the fidget spinner or the 2 mochis, so don't try and guess that in the comments either.
Loving Master Richie, you're scoring loads of points. Of course, but I'm afraid we must run it, sir. That really isn't possible.
I'll be back. Okay, guys, I'm ready. What do you guys think it is? I'm gonna give you a hint. It's a creature, but like a toy one. Don't worry, guys. Watch this. It's the card here. Okay, guys, guess what it is.
Robert gets hold of this.
Richard, now you're overreacting.
See, how'd you get it done so fast? I've only been gone a week.
Professor Keenbean invented some proton particle maximizer, something like that. Anyway, it seems to do the job.
My cheeks are too puffy. I know. Gee, I put on a few pounds. But you have to admit, I do look puffy.
Yeah.
Hey, Slugger. Great to see you. Oh, how you doing, big fella?
How was the ribbon cutting at United Tool? Great. And I give you a gift, Dad.
Did so
Hi guys,